The Android game in the US has gotten kind of predictable, right? January rolls in with Samsung and OnePlus flexing their shiny new flagships. Summer becomes foldable season with the Razer and Galaxy Z lineup, and fall, well, that's when Google takes its turn with the Pixel. Same cycle year after year. But this time, it actually feels different. And for the first time in a long while, I'm actually excited about a Pixel launch. Why? Simple. The Tensor G5 chip. If you've ever used a Pixel, you already know the story. Great cameras, smart software, but the phones sometimes heat up faster than a cheap laptop, and battery life, let's just say, not ideal. That's because Google's been sticking with Samsung Foundry for its chips, and honestly, those just couldn't keep up with Snapdragon processors from TSMC. But this year, Google's finally switching to TSMC, and that could mean better efficiency, cooler temps, longer battery, and stronger signal. Basically, all the things Pixels have been struggling with. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. I can't wait to see how the Pixel 10 Pro holds up against Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra in real-world use. But that's not the only change. Wireless charging is about to get a glow-up. While iPhones have had MagSafe for years, Android users have been stuck with clunky third-party cases. This year, the Pixel 10 is expected to fully support Qi 2 wireless charging with built-in magnets. That means you'll finally get the same snap-on-the-charger experience as iPhones, plus full compatibility with MagSafe wallets, stands, power banks. No bulky cases needed. And of course, the cameras. Google's throwing in a new feature called Camera Coach, powered by Gemini. Basically, it's like having a little assistant whisper and move a little left, tilt up, fix that lighting while you shoot. The goal, helping you frame your shots better in real time, which means fewer ruined vacation pics or awkward photos where half your head gets cropped out. Oh, and here's the kicker. For the first time, even the regular Pixel 10 might finally get a telephoto lens. Rumor says an 11-megapixel telephoto with up to 20x super res zoom. It's not Pixel Pro level crazy, but for everyday users, huge upgrade. Honestly, I use zoom way more than ultra-wide on my iPhone, so I think this is a win for the base Pixel. But the software upgrades are where things get really interesting. Google's reportedly cooking up something called Gemini Space, a smarter, bigger version of the at-a-glance widget. Instead of just showing what Google already knows, it could pull live info from Gmail, Maps, Docs, even sports scores and weather, and display it right on your lock screen or home screen. Basically, your phone starts feeling like an actual assistant instead of just a notification board. And then there's Magic Coup Assistant. It's supposed to take Gemini's automation even further, handling everyday tasks before you even think about them. Sounds like Google's answer is Samsung's Now Bar, but with that extra Pixel twist. So no, the Pixel 10 might not look like a radical hardware overhaul, but the shift in chip strategy, smarter cameras, Qi 2 charging, and software that actually feels helpful. That's the kind of upgrade that makes a phone worth paying attention to. Now the big question, which of these features actually gets you excited? Would you switch to Pixel for the new chip, or are you hyped about Qi 2 charging and the telephoto lens on the base model? Drop your thoughts and let's see if the Pixel 10 can finally shake up the Android routine.